Good morning. My name is Nelly Yamile Moya Fandiño. I have 22 years old and currently in the works and study. I from countryside in the Susa, Cundinamarca, of which and the parents and the brothers. I like at the moment in the Chia Cundinamarca. In hobbies and preferences. I like to the basketball in read books in the professional grow and the ride bicycle every days and morning at morning. Important English and professional is grow professional and personal. In the keep and support workers in the care in the protection of their health, supporting and family of love, and the parents in the sister and brothers. Thank you so much.